In the pipeline, I have here the 001 API orchestration, and I have a data flow activity. And all right, let's take a look here. And then in the data flow activity, you can choose the APIs that you want. You can create one, or you can open it. So if you click on open, you're going to see that page for the data flow. And then settings, you get here a name, a timeout, and also a retry chance to do it. On advanced, you can have a retry interval. I get it at 30 seconds. And then notebook. So proceeding here, we're going to have the next step, which is zone hopping, and then I'm going to be using the 001 loading to zones API notebook. I could have a base parameter for it, but what I'm doing here is just giving a little description, a retry, and also a timeout of 12 seconds. After this, if it succeeds, it's going to send me a message. If it doesn't succeed, it's going to send me a message also on my email. So whichever way it takes, it's going to send me a message. On the view history here, actually, you know what? Let me run this. So I'm going to leave it running here while I'm explaining a few things on the view run history. You guys can see that it failed, it ran, it completed. Sometimes it's failing because Fabric is still in preview, so sometimes connectivity and orchestration, it's not at where it should be right now, but here you can see the scheduling, and also it could be hourly, it could be daily, it could have a start and an end date. And also endorsement, like Power BI datasets, you can promote this here to your users within your company, give it a name and also a description. Let's take a look here at where it is, refreshing. It's still in progress. It's taking longer than what it should. And then, as you guys can see here, I can see that it's in progress. Oh, okay, data flow ran. It worked out. Now I'm just waiting for the notebook to finish here. And then while we wait, let me refresh here again to see it. It succeeded. Everything ran perfectly. Let's see the view history. Now it's completed. It's perfect. And yeah, it sent me a message. Let me show you guys here. So yeah, hey, your API pipeline successfully ran. So perfect. Now you guys can see with this little orchestration how we can, let's take a look at the data at the lakehouse. And then you guys will see that this little orchestration, the simplified version or approach number one, whatever you want to call it, works perfectly for you to be moving data through the zones. And also now it's ready for you to be creating a new Power BI data set.